The air was thick like honey. Looking from the room had open windows to let the springtime through. Evening stood by watching at the side of summer's promise. The flowers in her garden were the envy of her friends. How far are we from dying? Is it nearly at an end? How far are we from dying? Is it nearly at an end? The smoke hung on the skyline. The city fell in silence. The sunset ripe and mellow was the light to write some thoughts by. The children watched for father from their window in the wall. Said a prayer for grandpapa and maybe many more. Somewhere in the distance, on the road so far away, I heard the sound of life. All the people left for home. that you tried to belong to the old confusion. I don't believe it.
Okej, jag vill ha en bild på dig. Gå här och vänd dig om. Jag tycker det är ganska gulligt att du håller i dig själv också.
To belong to the new confusion. I don't believe it. Don't even know which day it is. We're of the same opinion. So hard to tell us apart. We're at the foot of the future, and it's kicking us up the past. Sell me more, cried the lady. Her wares all hanging out. I'm not a landlord or a tenant in the house of turnabout. My pride is flat.